from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music.
Okay. So I just finished pumping and pretty much got a whole entire bottle, so about like 6 ounces in here. I'm just going to keep this in the fridge. She still has about, I think, 3 ounces left from yesterday's pump that we'll have her eat throughout the day today, and then we'll just keep this in the fridge. But this is from both sides. I usually get about 3 ounces per side, especially in the morning. I get a lot more, but at night it does fluctuate. Mavis, where's mommy? Can you follow mommy's voice? Mommy呢? 幾個藍色小跟住的時候呢? It was really long. It's her now. It's a 0 to 3 month. Bless you, sweetie. So we came to the Valley Mall. We got some pretzels. I've been wanting to eat pretzels for the longest time. Never had it before, so hopefully it's good. It doesn't look like there's much dragon fruit, but try it. You might need to mix it. Sour?
That's because like that's the bottom store.
I want a pretzel bite. First of all, I just want to apologize for the way I look. It's just one of those days. We don't have anything to go and do. I don't like to wear makeup just because I'm home all day. I just really want to show you guys some stuff that I got for her. They're super cute, and I specifically got her sizes that I know she can wear this summer, because by the time next year comes around, she's already going to be 1. The first things are from Old Navy. I got baby girl 2 of these. I got it in the white color, and I also got it in a really cute pink. These are 3 to 6 months, and they're gonna be perfect when it's like super hot. And I like that these are just one piece instead of 2 separate pieces. It just makes it easier to change her. And the next one is this one. I love the material. It's kind of like that muslin material. She doesn't have any plain neutral onesies, so I got one in this color. This is in a 0 to 3. It's super cute. This was on sale for, I believe, $5. These are really cute, and I really wanted to get it for her just because I love the whole knitted material, and I just think these are so cute. And I also got it in this brown color. So they do have sweaters that go with it, but I don't need a sweater. I just wanted the bottom so that way I could just have her wear this if it's like super hot, at least that way she's not just in a diaper. Next, from H&M, I got her these super cute sunglasses. When I was pregnant, we went to Costco and I saw a mom. She had her baby in a carrier, and her baby had to be at least probably like 3 or 4 months, but her baby was asleep, so she had a hat on her baby with a pair of sunglasses to keep the sun and the brightness out of his eyes, which I thought was a really smart idea, because sometimes when you go out and you're holding your baby and once you walk outside, it's really bright for them. I actually put it on her yesterday when we went out because she got a little fussy, so I was holding her and I didn't bring our carrier, so we walked outside and immediately she like squinted because it was really bright. So I remember that I had her sunglasses. And I also got her a little hat. I think this was probably like a boy's hat, but I just like the color. And this one is also from H&M, so this should hopefully fit her within the next month or so. Yesterday I went to Burlington and I got her these two outfits. This one was only $4.99. This is a 3 to 6. She just looks so cute in yellow because she's a little bit tan. So I wanted to get her this one, and it comes with a little headband as well. And the next one that I got her is this really cute neutral one with these brown flowers. It comes with a little hat as well, which I think is so adorable. I really like all these pieces for a little girl where it has like the headband, the hat, or it just comes like in a full set, so it makes it easier to dress them up. You don't have to think too much about it. Everything's already there. And this one was $9.99. And we also went to Fred Meyer's yesterday, so I got her these biker shorts. They are a 3 to 6. She doesn't have any shorts. Everything is literally a onesie or long pants. And again, I didn't think much into how cold it was gonna be, so I didn't buy her any pants. I just thought it was gonna be hot, so I just figured she would just be in like a onesie all day. But there are just some outfits that you want them to wear pants so their legs aren't just exposed. So I got her these little biker shorts, and they only have this white color. I also got her a little beanie with a little donut in the front right here. I think this was only like $5. These are so cute. They have kind of like that towel material, and it has these flowers on it. I don't know if you guys can kind of tell, but it's like that 3D look to it. But these are so cute. I really like them. They're again 3 to 6, so that way she can wear them. This next one is actually like a little boy's shirt, but it's so cute. I love the little cars on it because again, her dad is a car person. The last thing I got for her is this little romper. This is a 3 to 6 month as well. It is that towel material. I really like these, so that way, like again, when you take them camping or you take them to the beach or anything that has to deal with being in the water, they can just wear this after they're done swimming, so that way they're nice and cozy and they can still dry up as well. So I really like these, and I just love the little bow details on here. This is what I need to deal with. I need to wash all her new clothes, and I need to take out all the newborns because she is getting too big for them. I just really need to reorganize this area because this is not how I had imagined it to be. It just kind of came about. So yeah, this is just the reality. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. It is messy. It is what it is. And I just have her diaper cart over here, which I just have a whole bunch of stuff on there. I still need to organize it. I thought I had everything set in stone, but apparently, you know, when you figure out what works for you, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna need to tidy that up. The goal is to eventually get this clean, even if it's not today, at least sometime this week, but it's on my list. Hi guys, so today is Thursday and my husband is taking us to the beach. So we're gonna go to Coeur d'Alene and just hang out there for the day. And I don't know how long we're gonna be there for, just because baby is still small, but I do want to walk around the beach, but he just really wanted to take us out before he goes back to work. So we're here to enjoy the beach and the weather. So we're just gonna walk downtown before we walk along the beach. Which one is that one? The Maui one? The chubby bear? It's like super.
It's good.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming.
So nice today. I forgot myself.
I'm looking out from my window. Sun's coming up
No,
like the
there is a
day
syrup.
before. You're like a stone on my
It's
pillow.
such a nice day today. It's like the
I
perfect
don't make
weather.
a
It's like 70
sound when I
degrees.
shut the door.
That's the trail, huh?
You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend